up the shop to get me a exhaust. I said I want the Blue Manta. The Blue Manta exhaust with 2 packs. 2 packs at the back. 2 packs. The guy looked at me stupid. I said, no, I want the Blue Manta exhaust in my Dodge truck. The Blue Manta with 2 packs. So, he still looked at me stupid. I said, the Blue Manta. The Blue Manta 5 that run out the back of the goddamn truck. 2 packs. 2 packs. I said, 2 packs. 2 packs. 2 packs, Blue Manta exhaust. Run straight out the back of my Dodge truck. What? He said, what? He said, Blue Manta? Blue Manta exhaust? With 2 packs. 2 packs at the back. $600. I said, $600, kid. Hell, I ain't doing no damn drug. I just want a Blue Manta and 2 packs. 2 packs right out the back. He said, what? He said, Blue Manta with 2 packs out the back. $600. I thought, you crazy son of a bitch. Ain't no way. I'm not getting a whole manifold exhaust system on my truck. I just want the Blue Manta and 2 packs out the back. He still look at me stupid. I said, I'll give it $300. He said, oh, you trying to rip me off? You stupid? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. You cut all the labor off? Ain't no way. I said, all I want is Blue Manta and 2 packs. Run straight out the back. He said, you crazy? You crazy $300? I said, nah, whatever. I'm gonna go get some cans, some flex tube, and I'll run my own for $100. Okay. Thank you. Bye.